Hi dear children, welcome to grade 4 LS. I hope you all are fine and safe, right children? Okay, so this is your value education period. In our last session, we have seen a story about the topic power of peace, right? So what we learned from the story? We should avoid fighting or arguing with the people and try to understand and respect others' point of view, right? So because we don't feel good after fighting or arguing with our friends, family, and some other person. So we should avoid fighting and try to solve our problem in peaceful way and live happily with together. Okay, so these are all the things we learned from the story. So the story about the monkey and the drought. So in the story, the monkeys from the dry forest went to the new place Tricol for their food. Tricol is a place of many fruits tree. So the monkey loved the place and decided to stay there forever. But the monkeys from the Tricol were worried because they thought that the new monkeys will eat all their food and they didn't get enough food to eat. So the Tricol monkey attacked the new monkeys and the two troops fought fiercely. Just then, an elder monkey arrived at the place and stopped their fighting and said, "We have enough fruit for all of us to eat. So avoid violence and fighting and try to live peacefully with one another." So the monkeys stopped their fighting and they decided to live together peacefully. So what is the moral of the story? So the moral of the story is we should live together in peace and harmony. Okay. So this session we are going to do the book back activity. All of you take your LS book with homework note. Okay children. So the first one, answer the following question. First question, why did Mimi leave her home? Next one, why did Mimi come back to her home? Next one, why were the monkeys of Tricol worried and what did they do? Next one, what did the elder monkey say to the other monkeys? Next question, what would happen if the elder monkey was not around? So think the answer and write it in your homework note. Next one, tick the correct option. Where did Mimi go in search of food and water? So the Mimi go to the Tricol for the food and water, right? So the answer Tricol. Next one, what did Mimi eat there? She ate fruit. Okay, so the answer fruits. Next question, whom did Mimi miss? She missed her friends. Okay, so the answer friend. Next one, what did the monkeys of Tricol do to the monkeys who came from the drought affected land? So they didn't welcome the new monkeys, they went to attack them, right? So the answer attack them. Next one, who brought peace between the monkeys? So the answer, an elder monkey. So I also give the answer for the question. You just refer this. So the next one, points to ponder. There are many reasons why people fighting with one another. They often fight over things such as food and money, right? Yes. So remember how the monkeys fought over the food and some even got hurt. Fighting leads to destruction and pain. If we all live together in peace and harmony, this world would become a better place. So the next time you have a disagreement with someone, think of solving the issues peacefully before picking a fight with them. Okay? So doing so will make you feel happy, proud, peaceful and calm. Okay children? Nice. Okay. So next one, think and answer. Peace begins with me. Okay, so do you agree with this quote? Give reason for the answer. Next one, why is it important to have peace in the world? So think the answer for this question and write the answer in your homework note. Okay, children. So all of you, please note your today's homework. Complete the page number 8 and 9 in your LS book and post it in Google Classroom. So this is your today's homework. Okay, children. So all of you, avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadgets item after session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also, stay home, stay safe. We will meet in next session. Bye. Thank you.